we were too late. Years too late. 3 founders of Verdaria hadn't vanished, they had been killed by Clown Pierce. Clown, who wanted the treasure for himself, initially tried to find the location of Verdaria through brute force. However, with no luck, he had one last option. Threaten Verda into telling him exactly where the city was. Of course, she wouldn't budge, and ultimately, she sacrificed herself to prevent Clown from finding Verdaria, secretly planting the final compass in her own execution chamber. At the time, Clown had no idea, especially since the words in her final book had no meaning to him. But Theo and I had managed to figure out exactly what Clown couldn't.